Horses for the 2025 Piracom PCSO Silver Cup Race. Batang Manda gets away immediately. Jungkook 3 wide on the outside. Sonic Clay Bashiru goes running by the rail. Is Tulen Ola Modern Legacy and Easy Does It is the early player. Batang Manda Bashiru now fighting out for the lead. And in third, watching them is Jungkook. Is Tulen Ola is running by the rail. Fourth, and in fifth position on the outside is a ghost. Sonic Clay, Easy Does It, second last, and Modern Legacy is running up the tail of the field. Back to the leader. Now we have Bashiru takes the lead by a length, and in second is Batang Manda. Jungkook, a very close third. Alongside fourth comes Ghost. Then followed by Stulen Ola. Sonic Clay in sixth position. Easy Does It and Modern Legacy. Into the backstretch, and still Bashiru enjoying a length lead. Batang Manda still in second, trying to get close now in third. Jungkook goes on the outside fourth position. Is Stulen Ola. Sonic Clay, Easy Does It and Modern Legacy. Bashiru moving up. Batang Manda now on the outside. Jungkook. Batang Manda takes the lead. Jungkook on the outside. Bashiru then followed by Ghost and Stulen Ola. Now we have Batang Manda by half a length. Jungkook on the outside second. Running by the rail. Bashiru goes is Stulen Ola. As the field turns for Roma. There is still Batang Manda. Jungkook now on the outside, threatening danger. But it's still Batang Manda. Jungkook, Bashiru, and down to the finish. There is still Batang Manda. Jungkook now on the outside. Jungkook, Batang Manda, Batang Manda. Jungkook now moves about the outside over Batang Manda. And finally, Piracom PCSO Silver Cup belongs to Jungkook. Second is Batang Manda, Bashiru, then comes Go.